An air column closed at one end and open at the other resonates with a tuning fork with smallest length of the column is 50 centimeter. The next larger length of the column resonating with the same tuning fork is. Okay. So we know here the first minimum resonating length of a closed organ pipe is, that is lambda by 4, which is equal to, that is 50 centimeter. Therefore, the next larger length of the air column is, that is 3 lambda by 4, which is equal to 150 centimeter. Thus, the first resonating length is 50 centimeter and the third harmonic length is 150 centimeter. So, answer is option C is our right answer.